Guys. Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Okay, great. So we have a few earnings reports. Spotify is gapping down. Oh, only 12% revenue growth? That's not great. Even though it is a momentum leader. So it's technically still very strong. BA is gapping up a little bit on their earnings. This is the reason I didn't want to hold it to swing it into the report. DXCM had a great report, and it has a great chart. It's been pretty much going sideways for the past 2 months or so, while it's been building higher lows. I really like this chart. And obviously the report and guidance and everything is pretty damn good. BE reported it's gapping up a tiny bit. Let's see if a gap will hold. DT is gapping down. They reported too. Also great report. And also a great chart. It's just surfing the 50-day. It's a bit slower of a mover, but you know, it could be interesting if it starts breaking higher. AMD is gapping up on their report. Oh man, if this thing goes like $100, oh man, I can't look at it. Shopify is gapping up. Unfortunately, I sold it a month ago or 3 weeks ago. Okay, what can I say? The only ones I'm remotely interested in buying are DT if it breaks out and DXCM, because these ones are just coming off bases. Shopify, I don't know. It feels a bit well. The question is it gonna have some? Is it gonna follow through? That's the question. You want to buy them when they come off bases, like nice bases. This thing, I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. W? Yeah, W is kind of gapping up too. I'm still long it from 2 days ago. Let's see, Mara gapping higher. Lake closed very weak, but looks like it's gapping higher. Riot is gapping higher. Tesla, I went short when it broke this range late day yesterday. I'm about a little bit tiny bit on it. But it kind of held the lower end of the range. Like I started seeing some weakness in a lot of names and also in the markets late day. I never like late day weakness. I think I don't like late day weakness. So I went short a little bit, just a quarter size. Yeah, Kodak I'm watching for a short. I don't know if I'm gonna do any big size. I have a 50,000 shares located, which is like a half or third size or something. So, but we'll see how it acts. I'm not super excited about it. Even though it is up like what, 600%, 650% in 2 sessions, that's a big move. Wow, Tupperware is a 10 bagger of the March lows almost. That's a big move. Holy shit. Okay, the market opens up any second now. Visa? Guys, Visa is not a trading stock. It's an investing stock. It's not a trading stock. BDC? BDC? BDC is just a random thin small cap name. It's gapping down. It's printing lower in pre-market. Absolutely not a long. It looked like shit. And you don't want to own shit. Trust me on that one. Wow, Kodak wants 20 bucks. All right, the market is open. Let's see what we get here. Or is it open? No, it's not. Never mind. No, it is open. Oh, never mind. I'm confused. Jesus Christ, Livongo keeps breaking higher. Can't believe that thing. I don't know. I may do a tiny amount of shares Shopify opening range highs. Or maybe, I don't know. I bought half size on Dexcom. It looks like it's starting to break a bit. The problem with Dexcom, it has almost no volume. And Square, unfortunately, I sold it yesterday. When it closed weak, I didn't want to hold it overnight in case we get a gap down. So I may have to buy it back. Holy shit, Kodak! Wow, did it get halted? Yeah, it got halted. Wait, what? Why is TC2000 not showing me the data on Kodak? That's weird. It's very weird. Now DXCM looks like it's weakening a bit. Shopify is weakening. I really don't like the spread. Is it $6 spread on Dexcom? Oh my god. That's something. So now BA, we have the earnings out of the way. Which means now it can be free to break down whenever it wants. There's something wrong with it. Is anyone else's TC2000 lagging? Like, I'm not getting real-time data right now. Oh, even the clock here is paused. Oh, those fuckers. They're down. Not only that they're behind, like not even the market clock here is ticking. It's like they're completely down. Oh, god. Jesus Christ. Has anyone tried to restart? Do you guys know if it solves the problem? This hasn't happened in a while. Anti-retail measures. It didn't solve the problem? Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ, this is not good. Wow, it's totally frozen. Like it's... Like I can get charts, but the data is way behind. But the getting charts is very quick, so it's not lagging. Just frozen. Oh my god. I have to manually pull things up. And look at my... 127? Oh my god. Don't tell me Square is gonna break out here. I had 30,000 shares 2 days ago, or until yesterday. I'm gonna... Okay, now it seems... No, wait, what? Now something moved. Now the clock is starting to tick again. What a disaster. I shorted 50,000 shares Kodak. Not a great... wait, what's my average? Yeah, not that great average, but okay. Damn, you had to be fast on this thing. Oh, now BA is breaking down. Thanks, laggy TC2000. I missed it. Oh my god, Shady, I stopped out of it yesterday. And now it's going. I can't believe this shit. My god, this is not happening. Oh. mRNA looks like it's fading. I missed my entry on that one also. Have to wait for secondary ranges. This BA, I have to zoom out. Is it a... Like it keeps building higher, lower highs and it just can't rally. Like if it starts breaking down from this area, it has to be a good short, right? Am I reading things wrong? It does have some big downside, right? Or am I completely clueless on that one? Is it frozen again? Yeah, it looks like it's frozen again. The clock is not ticking. You know the... At least you know it's frozen. When the clock stops ticking. Oh man. This is so stupid. What the hell is going on? DAL short, it's not there yet. It needs to weaken up. It's not breaking any ranges. DAL, that is. Jesus, I missed mRNA. Okay, Kodak is gapping down after the halt a little bit. Yeah, I'm thinking about shorting some starter on BA. It is weak. And it wants to, it looks like it wants to go lower, but I don't know. Okay, I did a starter BA. I did 10,000 shares, so I may do more. I may do more later. Okay, I did another 15,000. I have the same size I had to die until yesterday, where I covered it. IGV looks like it wants to really reclaim the 20-day. It looks strong. Now BA is having some follow through to the downside. Can't believe this Livongo. Such a strong name. This Dexcom has absolutely no volume. I'm long 4,500 shares and this thing is just no interest in it on the earnings. The chart looks great. It's just coming out of a nice flag with higher lows for multiple months. Shopify is fading big time. Pen is super strong. LRN, yeah, wow. Yep, that's a high tide flag. Okay, Kodak took another leg lower. I should probably cover some here. Oh no, never mind. I'm gonna. Or wait, what? No, I'm gonna cover some. I'm not. I'm short 45,000 shares. Gonna cover tiny. You're in low 48s. That's a great entry, Dean. That's a great, perfect entry on the 60-minute chart. Yep, that's a very good entry. That's a 5-star entry. All right, BE is weakening. I'm seeing a lot of things weakening now after the strong open. Oh, DXM, is it gonna stop me out? I think it's gonna stop me out. I'm already in half size. I wanted to buy more through highs of the day, but looks like it's gonna stop me out. It looks very weak. I'm gonna use highs of the day as my stop for Tesla. There's no reason to let it. Let it go higher than that. Okay, DXM, it stopped me out. I took a $39,000 loss on it. Okay, that's fine. It looked good and now it's not looking as good. Now it looks like shit. I'm trying to find another ad spot on this Kodak. Jesus Christ, mRNA. I was looking for that range break in the high 79s or 79 area. But then the platform froze. All I can say about that. Well, DXCM is a thin stock. It's always been a kind of a thin trader. But obviously, I would have preferred a little bit more, action out of the gate, like volume. You could just see it on the like level 2. There weren't many trades going through. There just wasn't any trading, like, or not much, anyways. BE, oh BE, yeah. It's no. So I want to see how it acts here around the 20-day. If it closes below, I'm getting out. I'm gonna sell it. But if it can bounce and close, close strong, that would be a very good thing, obviously. So look at what DT did. It faded, undercut the 50-day, and now it's back in range, and it built another higher low. This is bullish action. I think DT could be a great setup in the coming sessions, especially if we can, tighten up a little bit in this range. So far, this is bullish action, even though the stock is down. It's building a base. It's building a very nice looking base. Kodak halted. Oh, now I wish I had covered more. Spotify, yeah, Spotify gap down and it's back in the range. Also bullish action. This is not bearish action. This thing is, we can go sideways a few more days, build some higher lows, it's gonna have a flag. It's a pretty looking flag. BA is having nice follow through to the downside. That's great. Run and VSLR, yeah, they look kind of weak for now. AMD's weakening now. I don't see a lot of things right now, but there are still things are setting up for the coming days and for the next week. Like both DT and Spotify are showing bullish price action, even though they're down on a day. For now, at least. If they can reclaim. Okay, so this DXCM had a huge washout. And look again, look at DXCM. This is bullish action. You see this? It built another higher low. This is bullish price action. They're not going straight up, but they're also not, they're just building their bases. They're improving their bases. Okay, let's see what Kodak does here. Still strong, holy shit. Maybe he wants to take out highs for the day. Okay, I'm all out Kodak. This thing stopped me out. And I took a bigger loss than I should have because my fucking route is not working. What the hell? I had to cover it higher because my my stop order didn't work for some reason. Man, this kind of shit pisses me off. Technical issues, man. Unacceptable. That's just unacceptable. And now DXCM is back green. Okay. Alright, why not? And Kodak is halted again, okay. $27 has to be the ceiling for Kodak? Where the hell do you get these random numbers from? Why would 27? Why not 57? Why would 27 be anything? There's absolutely... Why? That's just a random number, man. Exactly. If I had a broker like Robinhood, I would get the best executions. No technical issues at all, right? Because Robinhood never has any technical issues. Oh, 9 times their previous stock? No, well, okay, now I get it. Okay, yeah, well, that makes sense. Because it was about 9 times their market cap. But yeah, it's just a momentum stock. You know, it's this thing could go to 50 by tomorrow. You know, I've seen it before. And if it does, that would be great. Okay, well, that makes sense. That now 27 makes sense. Yeah, well, yeah. If you account the loan they got. Absolutely too, but it's not an exact science. It's just a momentum stock. Oh, okay, I need to size down on BE because it's confirming, it's about to confirm the previous candle. Not yet, but I'm about to size down a little bit. Exactly. Yeah, the broker with the plexiglass or the bulletproof glass protection is the, yeah, they're great. What can we say? Robinhood is the market leader in the brokerage business. Okay, yeah, the markets are super strong. IGV is working to reclaim the 20-day. I just wish I hadn't sold out of Square and JD yesterday. I sold 40,000 JD yesterday for a medium-sized loss, and Square too. I sold 30,000 shares because they closed weak, and I didn't want to deal with a potential gap down because the markets didn't really close great. But that's what the Shopee market does to you. That's the problem. At least my crypto trades are working. And the BA, obviously. BA, I think this thing could very easily go to the 150s. There's no support until like maybe mid 150s or so. Mid high 150s. Okay, BE I sized down a little bit. But it needs to, we'll see how it closes. It could still reverse and close like in the high 14s. That would be a very good thing. We'll see. I'm not selling all of it. I still have about 40% of my initial shares. Still need to see if buyers step in. AMD looks fade-ish. My thoughts on Amazon earnings? Well, they're obviously going to be a blowout. Oh yeah, they all report tonight. No, tomorrow. They report tomorrow, never mind. The big trillionaires. They all report tomorrow. Wow, Kodak. Wow, this thing is... What if it goes to 50 today? That would be epic. Holy shit, this thing is just... Momentum stocks really fascinate me. Like there's setups for like later this week or next week. Like D-Dog is setting up really nicely. Bounced off the 50-day on Friday, I think it was, and now it's building a nice little like flag. Fastly looks really good. There are several like Okta look. Oh, this is a little bit slower name, but looks good. This Koopa looks decent. Yeah, it looks decent. Square looks good. Question again is are they gonna have any follow through if they would break out? That's the big question. And these airlines are also weakening big time. Well, I guess Kodak was a long out of the gate. Or opening range highs. Or yeah, whatever. How do you trade something like this? Like, it gets halted all the time. It's almost impossible to trade it. Gotta be so fast. Yeah, it had a pre-market breakout for if that's your thing. Absolutely. Yeah, the 1340s. Yeah, 1340 area. Congrats, you're up 100% now. You're up 100% in a couple of hours. That's a good year's worth of gains. I see some relative weakness in Tesla compared to the Nasdaq overall. Like, Nasdaq is just pretty much at the highs of the day and almost challenging yesterday's highs. Tesla is way off highs of the day and way off yesterday's highs. Something to keep an eye on. It can't rally with the Nasdaq. Obviously that can change at any moment, but you know, I'm always looking for these types of clues. GBTC or yeah, I'm still long. This is not an ad spot here. Maybe, you know, next week or something, but right now there's no ad spot here. I'm still long. I think this is a double if Bitcoin keeps going. This is not a swing trade for me. This is a position trade. This Wix looks great. Oh, it just took out the opening range highs. It looks just so good. Etsy looks decent. AYX. Well, AYX is kind of shoppy. Never mind AYX. No. AVLR looks great. Bounced off the 50-day on, what is it, Friday, and now it's taking the range. This one taking it off. TND. No, sorry. DXM. Man, Livongo. This is gonna go to 200 without me. Okay. All right. Yeah, CS looks good. Yeah, I'm long it since like a couple of months back, but it's not good enough for me to add to it yet. Unfortunately. NVAX looks good for what? NVAX looks to be failing at highs. You know, yeah, don't pay attention. You know, look, it looks really good on a 6. Unless it starts showing some backside, there is absolutely no short here. It's just picking tops. And picking tops doesn't work. I don't know. You know, look, it could fade a bit, find support on the rising 10, 20 EMAs, and then it gonna go higher. I prefer to see the 10 and 20 EMAs act as resistance, and then I would be looking for a short. Right now, it's just, you know, randomly picking a top. Wow, Kodak. We haven't seen something like this in a while. Have we? When is the last time we saw a 1200% move in 2 days? Or 1100% or whatever it is. Holy shit. I'm really happy. Like, I was supposed to take a like $60,000 loss on it, or $60,000 loss, but my stop didn't work, so I had to manually cover it higher. Took an $87,000 loss, and if I hadn't taken the loss, I would be down like half a mil by right now. Oh man, this is why you take your losses, guys. This is why you take your losses. You don't think, you just take your loss. You don't start second guessing, you just take it and move on. That's exactly the reason. Kodak, holy. It's a Kodak moment. Isn't that a thing? A Kodak moment? Didn't people say that back in the day? Is this a parabolic move? Yes. This is even bigger than a move they had a couple of years ago, back in 2018. I remember I shorted this move here. Went up 300% in 2 days. I shorted it on day 2. Yeah, Kodak coin. Yeah, I remember that. Man, this thing went from a legit company. It was like the Apple of their day. And now it's just a piece of shit penny stock. They're releasing like Kodak coins, and now they're getting some government loans and getting into pharmaceutical ingredient making. Like, what the fuck? Talk about the fallen. Like, imagine if Apple would be like this in like 20 years. Like, it's just a piece of shit pumpish penny stock. I wonder what, or Amazon or Google or something that, you know, completely gets out innovated and falls from grace. I mean, it could happen, or it's probably gonna happen to some household. That's to some stock that's a household name today. Guaranteed. Which one though? Okay, now NVAX is fading. It went red, but look, it's tough because now it's gonna find support on a rising 10 and 20 EMAs. It may not, but I'd rather wait for the weakness. NCLH is just building lower highs. I don't know, man. What's BA doing? Okay, BA is weak. CCL. RCL. I don't know. 2070 monkey flu? Nice. You don't think it's possible? Wait 20 years. I guarantee you Amazon and Google are not going to be leading household names in 20 years. Probably not. Innovation happens too fast today. WYY. Okay. Oh shit, I fucked up right now. Holy shit. Oh my god, I did the fattest finger trade on my trading career right now. Oh my fucking god, you guys are not gonna believe this shit. You're not gonna believe this shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, you guys, you're not gonna believe this. Oh my fucking god, this is, oh. Yeah, I fat fingered it big time. Holy shit. Unbelievable. Oh, this sucks, man. Oh my god, this sucks. I just fat fingered it really big time. And now it's, yeah. You know what I did? I actually... I just double clicked on the wrong place. Let's just say I'm short 85,000 shares in this halt. Yeah, I'm down 350k on it. I just lost, like, I was down like 88k on it before, and I just lost another, like, what, 250k on it in like 5 seconds, and it got halted. I tried to get out. I got filled on like a few, like 5,000 shares. Oh man, I may take a 500,000 loss on this thing. I haven't had a 500,000 loss in a few months. This sucks. Wow. Like, avoid fat fingers, guys. This is the biggest fat finger trade of my career. I've never been in anything like, oh my god, BE, what a piece of shit. I've never fat fingered like this before. Like, yeah, it's happened on, you know, like I double click and I accidentally buy or sell twice the amount I wanted to. But not on something like this, like not a momentum name like this. This has never happened before. Oh, this sucks, man. I think I'm gonna call it a day if if it unhalts and like, it would be great if it could gap down. It's probably not gonna gap down. Yeah, look, I'm gonna be ready as soon as it unhalts. I'm gonna cover it unless it gaps down, which is it's not gonna. But so let's see. We've had 5 minutes halts, right? Yeah, we've had 5 minute halts. So it's gonna unhalt in like a minute or half or something like this. Wow. Ooh, I need to clear my head after this. It's not a big deal, like 500,000 nowadays. It's not a big deal for me. I've had, bigger losses than that, but it's just, oh, a fat finger, unbelievable. How the hell does that even happen? I can't believe this shit. Oh, that sucks, man. No, I'm not gonna blow up on this bullshit. No way. Even if I'm gonna take that $500,000 loss, I'm gonna be up a couple of million on the month. Don't worry about that. We'll see. We'll have to see where it opens. Oh please. Oh, if I sacrifice a goat right now, will it open down? Will this be the top? Like it opens from the gap and goes straight down? Is it possible if I sacrifice a goat right now? I need to get a goat though. Can I get a... We're gonna get a goat in the next 1 minute. Only suicide helps? Oh, thanks guys. Exactly, where do you get a goat nowadays? $33.15 is my average. I wasn't even gonna short it. Like, I was gonna move my mouse button to the short. Like, I wanted to wait for the first red 1 minute candle, right? So I was ready to short it in case it, you know, starts getting some downward momentum. But I accidentally double shorted it. I wasn't even gonna short it right there. Unbelievable. It's so stupid. I don't know how it even happened. I put my hand on a mouse and it was kind of there, and I just, unbelievable. Never. This is just so stupid. Oh my fucking. Okay. It's going down from this candle. I'm not covering yet. It has. Never mind. I'm covered. I'm out. No, I'm not out. No, what the hell is going on? Oh, Jesus. Okay, this is getting really stupid. You know what? Now I'm definitely gonna stop trading. I'm out. No, I'm not out. Never mind. I'm done with trading. I didn't get filled. It's impossible to get filled. I thought, like, I saw it started covering shares, but then it got halted again. Because it looked like it was initially going straight down, and then it went straight up and got instantly halted. This is just so stupid. Like, this is guys, you're not gonna. Now I'm down almost 1 million on it. This is just unbelievable. Never been in anything like this. Just because I misclicked, unbelievable. I'm gonna do a blog post about this bullshit. Holy shit. Unbelievable. What the hell is going on? No, they can't. They can't help me. I need to instantly cover it. Like, instantly cover it when they unhalt. Like, I waited for like 2-3 seconds because initially they pushed the stock lower. That's the problem. They pushed it lower. And then I was like, wait, maybe it's gonna dip now. Because, you know, look, it's gonna dip. Damn, this sucks. This really sucks. Yeah, I was trying to. That is the thing. It doesn't cover, like, it takes a while. Like, I couldn't get covered. It got halted too fast. It can't cover me like instantly. Unbelievable. Like, I did not see this happen. Never seen anything like this before. Jesus fucking Christ. What the hell is going on? Dumbest thing I've ever experienced in my life. And funny thing is, it's gonna, like, it feels like this is gonna be like the last halt, and then it's gonna go lower, right? This thing is a double in the past, what, 30 minutes? It's a double in the past 30 minutes. Why can't this thing pull back a little bit? I don't know. I just never seen anything like this before. Yeah, dude, there's no way I'm gonna average up on this thing. That's a way to blow out. What if it goes to 60? Oh, no way. I'm just gonna take my loss like a man, and then, you know, fuck this shit. I'm gonna take the rest of the day off. There's just, or I'm not gonna take it off. I'm still gonna check in, but man. When something like this happens, you know, the best thing to do is just ignore the same stock. Just ignore it. Because you know, I've done it before in my trading career. When you start to make it back on the same stock, it never ends well. Or sometimes it does, but it's just not worth it. Yeah, I'm gonna do some yoga. Is it gonna get unhalted? Yeah, it's gonna get unhalted any second now. Or is it a 10-minute halt this time around? This time around, I'm not even gonna look at the chart. I'm just gonna look at the level 2. That's what fucked me up, I think, because the chart is lagging. Like it's like 1 second lag or something, or maybe not. I don't know. It's just better if I just look at the. Come on, will it get unhalted? Is it a 10-minute halt? I'm not fighting it, guys. Haven't you been here in the past 15 minutes? I've been trying to cover it. I can't cover it. It looks like it's gonna be a 10-minute halt this time around. Can't they have some bad news? Can't they do like an offering or something? This is just super ridiculous, man. I'm getting a Kodak moment here. I'm covering. Okay, I'm all covered. Holy shit, wow. I lost another 400k on that on halt. I just took a 4 point... I just took my biggest loss to my career. This is the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Wow. I'm still up on the month, but that sucked. I'm still up a few million on the month, but this is just absolutely ridiculous. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know what? You'll never experiencing things like this. You gotta be, no matter how long you've been trading or how successful you are, how experienced you are, there's always gonna be these what the fuck moments, and this was just one of them. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And funny thing, if I had just been quicker to press the cover button the first time it got unhalted, I would have saved myself over $1 million. Now is the question, like this is like, if I hadn't, you know, been short, if I hadn't fat fingered this bullshit, are you kidding me? This thing actually went up 65%, 67% from where I fat finger shorted it. Unbelievable. 33.15 I think was my average. Unbelievable. 50% in a couple of unholds. Oh. I've never been stuck in a halt like this before. Never on the wrong side. I've been stuck in, not stuck, I've been in stocks that halted, but I've been on the right side, but never on the wrong side. Never. This is the first one. And it's even worse. Because it's a fat finger. I still don't know what the hell happened. Like, I accidentally, like, I don't know what the hell, like, I double clicked the short button. I was gonna like be prepared for the first red 1 minute candle. I even made a video about this setup. Like, you're gonna see, it's gonna put in the first red 1 minute candle. And then it's gonna go straight down to 30. Obviously with a bunch of halts along the way. Yeah, 1.463 million. No, 1.467 million. What the hell happened? Unbelievable. And now I'm sitting here and, you know, thinking, should I short it if I see on a good setup? Because this thing is gonna have a 50% pullback, 40% pullback intraday from these levels. I think it will. I think it could. Wow. Just when you think you're a market genius and this shit happens. Like the dumbest shit ever. I shouldn't touch it again, right? No, I shouldn't. Guys, you remember when I took $1 million loss like 4 months ago? Like percentage-wise, that was much worse than this is. This is not even 10% of my account. Like, obviously it sucks, right? It's stupid. But that $1 million loss was more than 10% of my account back then. So that was worse than this. Exactly, Robin Hooders got their checks. How many percent is it up now? 2,000%? No, 1,700%? Well, that sucked. Hey guys, don't do this at home. This is for professionals only. Oh, this is for professionals only. Dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life. Don't do this at home. Looks like a 10-minute halt again, or am I wrong? Oh, CS is going. Oh, fuck. Oh, wow. Now these things are all going. All the software names are going pretty strong now. AMD looks good, strong. Fastly looks good too. Yeah, that was extreme. Wow, unbelievable. And it had to be a stock. Like it just had to do it like these steps, these big opens. Like why couldn't they just, oh my god, look at that thing. And look at this, like if you look at the level 2, it's like 50, printing 50, 37, like it gets instantly rehalted. Is it lagging or something? Like it gets instantly re-shorted. Wow, it actually went up another 100% from where I fat fingered it. Can you believe that? Or not 100%, never mind, 80%. And now it's probably gonna have downside halts maybe? Wow. Well, I mean, that sucked. Oh, that sucked. I have to say, that just sucked. That sucked. But in a way, like, it was a total accident. I had absolutely not planned to do the trade. And not only that I fat finger shorted it, I double shorted it. It's like unbelievable. Dumbest thing I've ever, like, oh. Like, is it even dumb? It was just like a physical accident. I wasn't even like doing it consciously. Etsy looks great. Man, some of these stocks look pretty damn good. Oh man, I'm on this one. The won't go straight up. Shopify is getting strong again. Like something like Etsy just looks amazing. They report in a week. AVLR is super thin. I probably can't trade this thing, or can I? Oh, they report in less than a week. Well, you know, I'm not gonna, probably not gonna make it back, or I'm not gonna revenge trade this thing. I can't believe this shit. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. W is looking great. Peloton. And Tesla is still not taking out the highs of the day. Like Nasdaq keeps taking new, getting to new highs. Tesla just can't. It's showing relative weakness for now. But if I'm right on the crypto trade, that's gonna make me $1 million at least. Riot, Mara, and GBTC. Looks like this VIR is gonna stop me out. BE. Well, BE is just not acting well right now. Wow. Quick way of losing money. Unbelievable. There's just so many. Wow, I could write a book about it. I could write a book about it. I was like triple unlucky on it. Triple unlucky. Looks like it's gonna open. Wait, how many minutes has it been halted? Okay, stepping down again from this on hold, and now it's gonna go straight back to $30. Just watch it. It's gonna go to $30 again. It just had a one halt too many, or one halt too many for me. And that's the thing. Like, okay, one thing, I accidentally shorted it. Okay, that was bad luck. Not only did I short it, I double clicked on the short button. So now I'm short twice as many shares than I would have been on a normal fat finger. And then it just keeps halting and halting and I can't get out. Unbelievable. Exactly, flying too close to the sun. That's a great analogy. Nah, it's not that I lost the meaning of money, it's just a fat finger. Just a fat finger. Has nothing to do with that I've been on a hot run. Just a fat finger. What can I do? I mean, never experienced something like this. And that's the thing in trading. You gotta be prepared for anything. Like literally anything can happen. That's the thing. And you know, it doesn't happen, but every year something crazy happens to you in trading. Gotta be, you know, obviously you can't be prepared for everything, but you know, you just gotta be prepared for the fact that something crazy is gonna happen. No matter what. Like, I wanna go long one of these software internet names. There's a bunch of things that look pretty good. Some I'm already long, like W I have a big position in from 2 days ago. What's Square doing? Square, oh no, Square is not really doing much right now. There are some really good looking names that may trigger later this week or next week. Like CS, obviously, we're long a couple of months back. AVLR looks great, but this thing, I mean, it really looks great. But the problem is, it's a very thin stock. Jesus. Fastly looks absolutely amazing. I hope it doesn't trigger today. I want it to trigger in the next few days. Roku is coming back. This is the one I fat finger sold every single share yesterday. DT getting even stronger here. T-Dog reports tonight, also has a very good looking chart. This is Z looks good, reports next week. Unfucking believable. I just can't. Okay, have to. Twitter looks amazing. Just riding the 10-day moving average for now. And D-Dog looks amazing too. There's a lot of good looking setups. Netflix looks pretty decent. Yeah, I'm still long Chumia. Yeah, I traded Mara back in 2017, 2018. Your whole family knows my name? Okay. Fat finger. The fat finger guy. That was the fattest finger of the fat fingers. That was one hell of a fat finger. Guys, don't do this at all. Oh my god! Okay, I'm taking Kodak. I just can't look at it anymore. Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? This is Oh my god. Did I just see this thing trade in the 29s? This is... Wow. Now, couldn't it do this when I was... Couldn't it do it like the last halt? Or not the last. The halt, the halt where I covered, like here. Where did I cover it? Like, what's my average? I covered it 50-48 average. Wait, 50-40, wait, 50-40? Yeah, so here. Couldn't it do this thing? Instead of opening up, couldn't it open down? Yeah, well, look, I could have, yeah, I could have covered it in the 59s. That would have sucked. But yeah, the problem is, like, if I had gotten filled here, on this halt here, I only got filled 5,000 shares. Like, if I had just been a little bit quicker, I would have only lost like 300k. 300k. It wouldn't have been nothing. I would have made it back on the next trade. Now, it's probably gonna take me a while. Like, now it's gonna take me two, 3 good trades to make it back. And that's, assuming I don't have any other losing trades in between, which I will have. But you know what? Look, making back a 10% drawdown, it's very easy usually. If the market is good, that is. We'll see. Yeah, look, it's disgusting. I'm gonna do one more scan. I'm gonna close the stream. I think I may be done talking today. But I'm still on the hunt to buy some, software names. I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't, like, the market has felt a bit sluggish lately. But I am thinking about this AVLR. It's a thin name, but the setup is really good. It had a nice run, found support on the rising 50-day, and now, it just looks good. It looks good. Not much else to say about that. I wish I'd got that pen breakout. It was too fast. Too fast for me. Or, yeah. I'm a bit slow sometimes. Wow. I can't believe what just happened to me. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Dumbest thing in the history of the world. Like, my favorites for the next few days or next week is like Fastly, really like it. Roku, really like it. Square, yeah, Square looks really good too. Net looks pretty decent. You know what, Okta I'm not gonna trade. It's too slow of a name. It's kind of sluggish mover. Zoom is really good looking. Zillow I really like too. Twitter I like. D-Dog I really, this may be my favorite one. Bounced off the 50-day and now it's building pretty much a high tide flag here. Doku is, yeah, well, I mean, it could work. It just, I don't know. It's just not as tight as I would like it to. But yeah, this thing could barely dip below the 20-day. It's unbelievably strong. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, apparently, let's see here. So yesterday, 21,850 new Robin Hooders bought Kodak. They're having some really good time right now. The Oh, look at Kodak now. It just printed like 26 or something. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And that's the thing. It trades for like 1 second, and then it gets halted. How do you trade something like that? Totally impossible. BA keeps leading lower. Maybe it's gonna pull down some of the airlines. Like AAL looks like a big bearish type of a flag. DAL also. UAL. DAL looks a bit weaker. UAL. Save, obviously. Look at the 60. This looks like a big bear flag. Baidu bottoming. Yeah, it's a very choppy chart. What's IGV doing? Yeah, IGV has been reclaiming the 20-day for now. AMD looks like it wants to take out highs of the day. Question is, will it have follow through? Can it go to like 90 or something? Oh, now Blink is going. Of course it is. Of course it is going. Did it have... Yeah, okay. Looks like Blink is going. This thing is gonna go to 15 or something. What are the other EV stocks? Nikola looks like... Oh, Nikola never bounced. Failed the bounce. Look, after big loss, you just have to forget it, and it was just totally unrelated. It was like literally, I could have just pulled out 1.467 million and just like given it away. It was just totally unrelated. Like I wasn't even supposed to make the trade. It's not like I, took a trade that went sour. Like I wasn't even supposed to do the trade. It's unbelievable. And then I accidentally did twice the size. Double clicked it. Like what just happened to me? I black swanned myself on a black swan. That's what happened. Unbelievable. Plug. Yeah, well, these are fuel cell names. Yeah, that's actually like 8 BMW X5Ms. I could have bought 8 of those cars for that money. Oh well, it is what it is. Tesla, look, Tesla is gonna stop me out if Nasdaq keeps going. There's no doubt. That was just unnecessary. That was really unnecessary. Ugh. Could have bought a Veyron. I could have, right? No, I couldn't. 1.5 million? Don't they cost like 2, 3, 4 million? Well, at least I have a new big loss. But you know what happens every time I take a big loss? My trading goes to the next level, because if you take a big loss, right, and you like make it back or make most of it back, you know that okay, I took that big loss, I survived. And then you can take your trading to the next level. Like if you're gonna scale your trading up, right? If you're gonna go from trading $10,000 positions to $100,000 positions to multi-million-dollar positions, you know, you're always gonna take new record losses. That's how you scale your trading. Record gains and record losses. That's the way you scale your trading. You gotta get used to it. It's gonna happen to me many times over in my trading career. Kodak. Where is it now? Yeah, it printed 2605. Wow. What gets to me, it really is this gap down. So it gapped down 38% from this halt to here. This kind of gets to me, man. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's a, I can't believe. So I mean literally this is a black swan type of a stock, right? Black swan. Like when's the last time we saw a move like this? A multi-day or an intraday move like this on a high-priced liquid stock. And then I accidentally I black swan myself on a black swan. It's like I can't even comprehend this. So far NVAX is trying to find support on the rising 10 and 20 EMAs. But yeah, this thing is gonna... I think they have a data release this week, so I would not want to go short this thing overnight. But you know, for those of you who who you know saw the weakness earlier, you're doing it for a day trade, you should probably be out half of your shares by now. Made a pretty nice move. DXM is weakening again. What's Spotify doing? Spotify is strong. What's DT doing? DT is also strong. Again, this thing is just building a nice little flag here. Alright, I'm done for the day. Or not, I'm not done for the day. If I see something good, I may buy it. I'm thinking about this AVLR. It's just so thin, man. It looks good. Alright, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining for the entertainment. I hope you're entertained, guys. Alright, okay, see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do some gardening with my mom. Or I'm gonna eat something. I need to eat, I'm pretty hungry. Alright, I don't drink beer. I hate beer. Alright, thanks guys, see you tomorrow.